The happiest tea party yet. Tiny teacups, cookies too. There's a special seat for you. Sip, sip, hooray! We're having fun today. Laugh and smile, stay a while at our Puppy Tea Cafe. Pink and blue and green cups high, flowers blooming, birds nearby. Friends together, what a treat! Happy hearts and paws that meet. Sip, sip, hooray! What a lovely day! Raise your cup, cheers with us. See you soon, we'll be back with another tune.